Well, what we got is a third and final update here on this here Ford truck. And showing you some of the stuff we replaced. Glow plug solenoid was bad, burnt in half. That's not what the old one looked like. It's a new updated version. I've added this truck running earlier today, but we're gonna do a cold start on it. Wait for the glow plug lights to go out and see if it pops off. Because if you watch one of Wrecking Cars videos, this thing won't even do nothing. Glow plug lights on. It's out. Here we go. Look at that. I'm gonna try it one more time in the morning while it sits all night. It's probably been sitting there for about 3 hours, but it's pretty chilly outside. So morning will be the true test. And owner of this truck will be real happy. I'm sure he will. He said he's been starting this with ether for over 1.5 years. But we're gonna check her out again in the morning. I still got to put ball joints in it, but we'll go from there.
I'm firing right off, so that'll probably start.
Well, we're gonna do the initial test. Friday morning, 38 degrees outside. We're gonna see if the old Ford will start. See if we got everything kosher on it. So let's give her a whirl. We'll wait for the glow plug light to kick out. Out. It hit. Well, we'll recycle glow plugs again. It wants to start. It started. The guy's been using ether for the last 1.5 years to start this thing. That's pretty good. Last time this thing was driven was a year ago, last fall. So, this is a lot for what he used to do. We cranked and cranked and cranked and cranked on this thing for a long time. Tried to get her running. I don't think all the cylinders are firing yet. We got to get the front end bars put on it, get it aligned, and I think this in here will be done.